Hello, my name is Andrea Galeano. I'm a senior at Eastwood and I attend the welding program at Riverside. I chose this program because my brother's a welder. I wanted to feel more connected to my family, and with this trade, I can now work on projects with them. The thing that I love about this trade is seeing my skills grow over time. The first day I was here, I was not good. I couldn't even strike an arc, and now I'm proficient in 3 processes. I'm also proficient in plenty of power tools, and I feel like I've become a very well-versed welder, and I feel like I'm prepared for what's next after high school. After high school, I hope to be a welder for the Air Force. The state competition was incredibly exciting. I not only made incredible memories in the competition, but also with my teammates and my classmates. This would not have been possible without the help of Raiz Federal Credit Union, and so thank you so much for making it possible for me and my classmates to go. My sculpture was dedicated to my father, and it was loaded with emotions. I was not only battling with trying to prepare my skill, but also trying to put together my emotions into one piece. It was difficult to encapsulate my emotions and my love for my father in a simple metal sculpture. Thank you, Raiz, for supporting this program and for your investment into my education and my future.